Once there was a man named Erik. He lived alone, quiet life, same routine every day. Work, microwave dinner, sleep. Nothing unusual, except the notes. Every morning, he found one. Tiny, sticky notes on his fridge. Buy more milk. Call Mum. Don't forget the keys. The problem, he didn't write them. He lived alone, and he never forgot his keys. At first, he thought maybe he had written them and just forgot. He had dissociative episodes. Another part of him, born from buried trauma, had been protecting him all along.